We're going to walk you through the installation of the JLT 3.0 oil separator for your C7 Corvette. Included in the JLT kit is an oil separator, hoses and quick connect fittings, mounting bracket and mounting screws. Tools you'll need for installation is a Phillips head screwdriver, 10mm socket, ratchet and extension, and light oil. Let's get started. We're going to need to locate the dirty PCV line. I'm going to show you where that's at. On the driver's side of the vehicle, it is this line here, this U-shaped line behind the throttle body. There is a connection at the PCV valve and also the intake manifold. I'm going to show you how to remove this line. Let's start at the intake manifold fitting. There's a button on the back side that you have to press in, and that releases that line. And then the same on the PCV valve. And these are the buttons here. So this gray button, you just press in. That line will rotate to allow access to it to make it easier. And the same on the top. Next, locate this 10mm bolt here on the fender apron. I'm going to remove this bolt. Take your JLT bracket and reinstall the bolt. And we can go ahead and snug that bolt up. It doesn't need to be crazy tight. It's going into a rubber isolator, which will allow us some wiggle room. Now we're going to take our JLT oil separator and the screws, and we're going to install the can onto the bracket. Take your Phillips head screwdriver and tighten those screws up. Alright, inside these fittings, how they seal, there's two O-rings. Like on this particular fitting, there's a blue and a brown. There could be sometimes a green or an orange. It all depends on manufacturing. We want to drop just a drop of oil in here to lubricate these fittings, and this is so they easily slide onto the factory fittings. So we'll take our oil dropper and do that. Now you can also do this by putting oil just on a Q-tip and just run the Q-tip down there and there once. And we just want a little to spread around. You could also put it on the fittings on the vehicle. And now our hoses, our long hose is going to go to our PCV valve, which is down on the engine block. And then our shorter hose here is going to go to our intake manifold fitting. And I will show you those connections now. All right, we're going to connect our PCV line first. So get that to slide over the fitting. It will snap into place. And then our line to our intake manifold. Like so. And that completes our installation.